The I-4 and Sand Lake Road Interchange Improvement Project reached a major milestone recently. A new ramp from Sand Lake Road to westbound I-4 opened at the end of January. Motorists will now access I-4 from eastbound Sand Lake Road on this new ramp, requiring only a right turn. To access I-4 from westbound Sand Lake Road, stay in the far left lane when you go through the diverging diamond interchange, and then access the I-4 ramp to the left. Crews continue to make progress on this important improvement project. This new ramp will fly over the loop ramp system that is currently under construction, which will provide motorists easy access from westbound I-4 and westbound Sand Lake Road to Turkey Lake Road. For more information on this improvement project, visit i4beyond.com/Sand Lake.